In this video we're going to be looking at the Warwick Road roundabouts in Banbury. As you can see, there's 3 of them, all quite close together. There are 3 routes on these roundabouts that require slightly different techniques than any other roundabouts in the town. Here we go, we're approaching the roundabout. As you can see, there's a road to our right. We need to check our mirrors and signals after this as to not confuse other road users. Checking to make sure it's nice and safe as we approach the roundabout. And here's where it's different. We only check mirrors here, no signal is necessary, but as you can see there is a road to our left and we don't want to confuse anybody and tell them we're going down here. Also check to make sure it's safe from the right. Straight over the roundabout, and there you go. In this clip we're going to go straight on at the first 2 roundabouts and right at the 3rd. As we approach the first mini roundabout, checking to make sure no one's coming out of Cromwell Road. Here is where it's slightly different. We approach the next one to the right. As you can see, there is no right hand or straight on arrows here, so you need to use a little bit of local knowledge, or if you're new to the area, as you can see there's a clean line that actually goes around the roundabout close to it, or just follow the other cars that may be in front of you. So as we approach the roundabout, we're checking to make sure it's nice and safe from the right hand side. We stay close to the roundabout here, mirrors and signals to come off to the left and then exit the roundabout. We're turning right at this roundabout, so it's a normal approach for turning right. Mirrors and signals to turn right, the right hand lane as we approach, checking to make sure it's nice and safe. And then mirrors and signals to turn left here so you don't confuse anybody, and exit safely on the roundabout. In this clip we're turning right out of Cromwell Road and then left up onto Ruscott Avenue. As you can see there is a little road up on the right hand side here, just make sure no one's popping out of there. Mirrors and signals on here to turn right because that is actually a no entry. As we approach the roundabout, checking to make sure it's safe to enter. Both to the right and to the left here, making sure it's nice and safe when we enter the roundabout. And then mirrors and signals quickly on here to turn left up onto Ruscott Avenue, checking to make sure it's safe to enter. And there you go, that's how to handle the 3 most common routes on these roundabouts that learners sometimes have difficulty with. Drive safe, and I'll speak to you soon.